For this hairstyle, you will need some hair closure. I'm using this 8 inches Peruvian closure. This is a 3-part closure. You would also need some crochet hooks. This is a smaller one. And this is a bigger one. So you would need these two. And a tail comb like this. And obviously you can't do this hairstyle without your braiding hair. So I have a pre-stretched hair right here. This is Kanekalon Braiding Hair by Outre. I have a stretch right here. And then I'll be using this stretched stocking cap. This brand. It comes in a pack of 2 pieces. So all 2 are here. I want the cap to be very firm and strong. So it's double cap right here. Okay, so I'm quickly going to sew my enclosure on top of the stocking cap, and I'll be back to show you the rest of the tutorial. So as you can see right here, I started sewing. So this side, because I'll not be cutting this cap, this stocking cap, I would like to apply some foundation that matches my scalp color here before I sew it. This is the foundation, not too much, just something small, and then I'm going to dab it. Like this. So this is the colored clothes. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead to sew it around and I will be back. So guys, I'm done installing the closure and this is how it looks like. I'm going to tie this up the way so I can start crocheting again. So I'll do this my progress right now. Let me give you an example of how I do this. So first of all, you want to make sure that your latch is open. Slide the latch beneath the neck like this. Then attach your hair. Use the latch and pull it. As easy as that. And then you just make a single knot just to secure it. And that's it. There's no special method to this style. So in order for the closure to lay flat, I'll be applying this silky straight something, it's a foam wrap mousse. I'm going to apply some on top to make my closure lay flat before I flat iron. Like guys, this is my go-to secret on laying my closure. Sometimes you flat iron them and it still looks like it hasn't been flat ironed. So I like to add this product in it to make it look really natural and nice as well. Okay, so this is how it looks before I flat iron it. And mind you, the closure was a kind of loose wave closure. It has some curl pattern in it, so I have to make sure that it blends really well with the straight hair I have right here. And I'm making sure that I'm not flat ironing the synthetic hair I have down beneath, else it's gonna bend. So guys, I'm done with this wig and this is how it looked. This is how it turned out. I love it. It looks so pretty and it doesn't look fake or synthetic. It looks so real. I'll give you tips on how to maintain this hair for it to last longer in case you try to do the same. So I would like to put this wig on as a try test to show you how it really looks on me. So sit back and stay tuned. This is the wig, the crochet wig that I made. Let me show you, give you a close-up look. So these are the knots. And this is how the closure looks like. Okay, this is how the closure looks like. Because I didn't cut this neck, it's kind of hollow, but I think when I stretch it, when I wear it, it's going to lay flat like this. So let's see how that one goes. Okay, not bad. Not bad at all. So I'm just going to make some amendments, pull it, push it, all that good stuff in order to make it fit properly. So this is it. I love it, guys. I love it. So I promised to show you how to maintain this wig in case you're thinking of doing one. So what I'll be doing to this unit is every week I'm going to straighten it, or better still, spray some water on it, then blow dry it. Okay, and that's it. It will make it soft till the number of years or months you keep this hair. Okay. Alright, so let me know your thoughts about this wig. If you want to see more crochet wigs tutorial, and also send me video suggestions down below, because sometimes I go blank and I don't know what to do. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more good stuff like this. Click on the notification bell to get notified anytime I upload a video. Like I always say that. Thumbs up the video if you found it helpful, and as usual I'll catch you guys all in my next video. Peace out.